It was late at night in a quiet apartment. The glow of the laptop screen lit up the room while the sound of typing echoed against the walls. A person sat at the desk, staring at a blank job board. Applications had been sent out for weeks with no response. The savings account was shrinking, and the weight of uncertainty pressed heavy. Scrolling endlessly, a thought appeared. What do I already know how to do? The answer wasn't glamorous, just tutoring math, something done back in school for extra cash. It didn't seem like much, but it was a skill. And in that moment, instead of waiting for an employer to say yes, a simple post was made online, offering affordable math tutoring. Message me if interested. The next day, a reply came, then another. Within a week, the first paid session was booked. It wasn't thousands of dollars. It was just enough to cover groceries. But it was a start. Your first step isn't finding a brand new idea. It's identifying the skill you already have that can solve a problem for someone else, because you don't need to learn everything from scratch or wait years to begin. By using a skill you already know, you shorten the gap between dreaming and earning. That first use of your skill gives you speed and confidence, the building blocks of $100,000. Tonight, write down 3 skills you already use, at work, at school, or even as hobbies. Circle one that could solve a problem for someone else. That's your starting point. The next part is offer. Package the skill into something valuable. In another corner of the city, a person worked in a gym cleaning equipment for minimum wage. Every day, they overheard members complaining about the same struggles, not knowing what to eat, how to train, or how to stay motivated. One evening, sitting on the bus ride home, a thought came, what if I packaged what I know into a simple plan? This person wasn't a certified trainer yet, but they had experience, losing 30 pounds themselves and helping a few friends do the same. So they scribbled out a simple offer on paper. 4-week fitness jumpstart plan, workout schedule, meal basics, and weekly check-ins. $100. Nervous, they told 3 gym members about it the next day. 2 of them said yes. Those first 2 clients didn't just pay for a service, they paid for clarity. The offer took scattered knowledge and turned it into a structured solution. And that structure made it valuable. It's not enough to have a skill. You must package it into a clear, specific offer that solves a problem. Because people don't pay for vague ideas or general skills, they pay for solutions. A structured offer makes your value obvious, easy to understand, and easier to buy. That's the difference between struggling to convince people and having them lean in to say yes. Take the skill you circled. Ask, what problem does this skill solve? Then write one clear offer. I help write the type of person achieve what is the specific outcome and time frame. Keep it simple and test it with one person. Part 3, scale. Build systems that multiply your effort. Months later, another scene unfolds. A small kitchen table is covered in sticky notes, notebooks, and a tired laptop. The person who once made a $200 invoice is now juggling 10 clients at once, tutoring lessons, fitness plans, or freelance projects. The phone keeps buzzing, messages pile up, and exhaustion sets in. One night, after canceling dinner with friends again, frustration takes over. This can't go on forever. Something has to change. So instead of working harder, the person starts building systems. They create pre-recorded lessons to send to new students. They design templates for meal plans instead of writing each one from scratch. They set up an online scheduler to book clients automatically. Eventually, they bring in one assistant to handle communication. Suddenly, the chaos turns into flow. With less effort, more people can be served. The income grows steadily, and that's when the jump from a few thousand to 6 figures becomes possible. To reach $100,000, you must stop trading time for money and start building systems that multiply your effort. Because no matter how skilled you are, time is limited. Systems, whether digital tools, templates, or small teams, free you from doing everything manually. They let you serve more people without burning out. And scaling is not about doing more. It's about doing smarter. Look at your current offer. Identify one task you repeat again and again. Ask, how can I automate, template, or delegate this? Start with one system and watch how it frees your time to grow. Every journey to $100,000 follows the same simple path. Start with a skill you already have. Package it into a clear offer. Scale with systems that multiply your effort. The first invoice may only be $200, but it's proof. Proof that you can turn nothing into something and something into more. So don't wait for the perfect idea. Don't wait for someday. Take the skill you already have, make an offer, and start building your system. Because $100,000 isn't built overnight. It's built one client, one offer, one system at a time.
Quick one. Don't miss out on the next big idea. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you're always ahead of the people around you. Now, I want to hear from you. Comment below the most important thing you learned from this topic. And if you're ready to go even deeper, click on the next video right here and keep leveling up.